Hola, welcome. This is to my channel, Razil. So today we continue about animals in a class with Lambda expression. There are another difference between animals in a class and Lambda expression. What is this difference? It is about the keyword this. Okay, this is it refers of current instance of your object. And you know it's the basic in Java. Okay, so about this keyword, this. There is a difference between them, between animals in a class and Lambda expression. So I will show you a program with animals in a class and with Lambda expression. So I just take a note, give my note because it's a small big program, okay? And I will talk about this. So I have my interface, okay? In my interface, I have only one abstract method. It is functional interface, M1. Okay, M1 method. Also, I have my class. Now, in this class, I have a variable age. Int age equal 32, for example. Okay. Now, what I will do? I will create a method in this class. I call them, for example, M2. So public void M2. In this method, here what I will do, inside this method, I will create animals in a class that implement my interface. Okay? So what I will do, inside the definition of M2 method, my interface I equal new my interface, and I open curly braces, and I put the code of what? Which one? Of M1 method. Okay? So here what I will do. Sorry. So here I will create a new variable. Int age equal 37, for example. Okay? It is an instance, of course, on my interface. Okay? It's very important. So it is an instance of your animals in a class. After this, I will define my M1 method. Just for example, so public void M1, open curly braces, system out.println this dot age. Okay, I will close the what I mean here. Yes, for M1, and after this I will close about my interface. After this, what I will do? I will inside. I will call I.M1. Okay? And I will close. After this, we create public static void main. And I create an instance for my class to call M2 method. Okay? My class M equal new my class and M.M2. Okay? That is not important, but to show you, to understand what I have put in animals in a class. It's very important about the variable age. Here, this variable age, we have two variables. We have a variable age, an instance of class, my class, okay? And also we have variable age is an instance of an animals in a class. Okay? So now, inside the method M1, I have put system.out.println this.age. What is the result? This one, this keyword, refer which variable? It refers variable of instance outer class, that means my class, or inner class, that is about animals inner class. Which one? This here, this keyword refers to inner of your animals inner class. So when I display system.out.println this dot age, I should get 37. Okay, that is the first case about this keyword in animals inner class. It refers of your inner animals inner class. Okay, not outer. Okay, so let's continue. Now I will make the second example with Lambda expression. I can do it because my interface is contain only one abstract method, so it is functional interface. So I can change the code from the remember the condition if it is a functional interface or your animals inner class implement from functional interface. You can change it to Lambda expression. Okay, so let's make the code the same thing. I have my interface, etc. Same thing. My class with age, variable age, same thing. Initialization to 32, and after this I will make the method m2, and inside my m2 I have my interface. I equal here. What I will do, I will create my Lambda expression. So I have my two parentheses, simple row. I open curly braces, and here I have what I have, int x equal 37. Okay, this one, it is an instance of your Lambda expression or no? Before to continue, here Lambda expression doesn't have an instance. Okay, remember this. Lambda expression doesn't have an instance variable. This x variable is a local variable only. Okay, it's only local variable. Remember this. Lambda expression doesn't have an instance. This the variable inside is just a local variable. So let's continue. What I put after this. Sorry. So I have put int x equal, and after this what I put, system.out.println. No, sorry. So we continue. I will put system.out.println this dot age. After this I have the same code. I close curly braces and the same thing. Okay, like the previous code. So now, when I execute this code, what I got? The result of system.out this by dot age about Lambda inside Lambda expression. Here, this variable, this, it refers about outer class. Okay, so the result will be 32. That's the difference. If I repeat, if you should make this inside Lambda expression, it will refer to the outer instance of your class. Okay, so remember the difference between this keyword inside animals inner class and Lambda expression. The first one, it refers about inner instance of animals inner class, and about Lambda expression, it refers about outer instance of your class. Okay, so let's see this in the computer, and we see to see the result. Don't tell Faisal is making anything like this without showing us the result. Maybe he lying or no. For this type, because the program is very big, I put it here. As you can see, I will show you just my notes. This program, I just write some notes. You see, here is the program. I just put some notes here. So I just show you this one in the computer. It's very small, not big, but not complex, but you must see the result. Okay, so I will jump to the computer, inshallah, to take a result. Let's see, let's go.
So here I have create my interface with getValue method, and here I have the first class with anonymous inner class. Okay, so here let's see the result. If I execute this one, do you see age is 37 because it is this one, this refer to instance, variable instance of anonymous inner class. Okay, so let's make the same example with Lambda expression. So here is the second class with our Lambda expression. Okay, so here what will be the result? I will execute this one. As you can see, this refers to the outer, this one, as a variable of instance class. Okay, that's the difference between them. I will get another displaying message to see the difference between this one and this one. Directly here you see, if I make age like this without this, I will get the local variable, because as I said before, the Lambda expression doesn't have an instance variable. Okay, so let's see. Do you see? It refers of your local variable. So remember, for the anonymous inner class, this refers to the inner of your anonymous inner class, inner variable of your anonymous inner class, and for your Lambda expression, it refers about variable instance of your outer class. Okay, and Lambda expression doesn't have an instance variable. It have only local variable. So I think in next video maybe I will make some summary about all what I have said about anonymous inner class and Lambda expression. So goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.